Either if you want to remove passkey on KuCoin, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to your KuCoin application. Now from here, you just need to wait until the ad over. Now from here at the top left corner, you will find your profile icon. Simply tap on it, and from here go to security section. Now here you can find the passkey that are already configured. You can just tap on it. Now here you can see one passkey. You can add multiple passkey that you want. Now I'm going to tap on this trust icon to remove this passkey from my account. Now here you can see confirm deletion. Now tap on confirm. Now you have to enter or verification. You have to go through some verification process that you just need to get a verification code through your email. So tap on send to get the verification code to your email. So here you can see this is the verification code that I have get right now. Copy it and paste it like here. I'm going to paste it here. Now this actually it has automatically pasted this at the two-factor authentication, but two-factor authentication not a code that you will get from the email. It will generate by the Google Authenticator app. Here it is. So make sure that you tap on the right code that you have associated with your account, and make sure you just paste it in the time and before the time run out. Now you can tap on it. After the time run out, it will just generate a new code. Now here you can see it has automatically just adjusted the code in the two-factor authentication, and it has just removed the passkey from my device. So that's how you can simply remove a passkey from your KuCoin device, KuCoin account. Sorry. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.